This is Temple ISD Digital Learning with today's Quick Vids.
Today I'm going to show you how to share something on your screen via Teams. That's our video and chat instant messaging. This one is going to be using Teams that is installed as a desktop application. If you're wanting to use a web version, there's going to be another video for that. So here I am. This is one of the slide decks that I'm going to share. So I'm going to go down here and where it says type here to search, I'm going to type in Teams if I don't have my Teams app already up and running. And here's my Teams app right here. So in this example, I wanted to share this blended learning with one of my teammates or somebody else in the district. So in this case, I am going to talk to John, but let's say that I didn't see John here in my chat anywhere, or it may have even started here on your Teams screen. So you start with chat. Click on this little box right here, and this will help me search for a person. So I just type in a person by their TISD email. So here's John. I'm going to click on John, and here we go. Now this is a little tricky. I have to make sure I say type a new message here. Once I do that, now I'm in chat mode with John, but I want to share my screen. So I'm going to go up here to the button here that looks like a camera because I actually want to start chatting with him. So I click on it. I wait for him to answer. There we go, and John answers. So we say, hi, John.
Hello, Mr. Wilson.
Okay, so now I want to share that slide deck that I made. So up here at the top, I have this little white button that says share with an up arrow. When I click on it, it'll ask me what screen do I want to share. Now my slide deck happens to be behind this one, so I'm just going to share the same screen. So I click on screen, and now I have this red box all around the edge of my screen, which lets me know that I'm sharing with John. I'm going to minimize the screen. Here's my slide deck. I'm going to click on slideshow, and I can start presenting to John. So now John is seeing what I'm seeing, and he is at a distance. I can still talk with John. Say something, John.
I can see why blended learning. I can see the slide clearly.
Awesome. So that way we can have a conversation as well as we're going through the slide deck. Once I'm done sharing, I go back down to this little box with John's face, and I click on the little X next to leave. When I do that, I'm now not sharing my screen anymore with John. So now John and I are just talking. Now, John, can you put something in the chat so I can show everybody what that looks like?
Sure.
So I'm going to click here on chat. And then here, any conversations that John and I have, or anybody else that you're meeting with, the chats will go right here. And I could respond to it. So John has a question about blended learning, and I could answer his question then. So once we're all done, I can close the chat screen and I can say, bye, John.
Okay.
And I can click on the leave button. Let me minimize this. And that's basically how you use the chat feature and the video feature in Microsoft Teams on the desktop application.
Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at help.tisd.org.